I declare the 8th convocation of Parul University open.
Mr. President, we have the honor to present to you 12,692 candidates for the award of the degrees, diploma, bachelor's, master's and doctoral. They have been examined and are found suitable for receiving the degrees in their respective disciplines. We request you to confer the degrees on these candidates. All the candidates receiving the degree, please stand up at your places. I repeat, all the candidates receiving the degree, please stand up at your places. Requesting the Honorable President to please confer the degrees.
Thank you for rising in my university's honor. By virtue of the authority vested in me as President of Parul University, I admit you as well as the candidates in absentia as put up in the list of candidacy of Parul University. Congratulations to you. Thank you.
The candidates awarded the degree should bow to the Honorable President Parul University and resume your seats. Congratulations students, you have made it. It is the time to celebrate all the hard work that has led to this joyful occasion. Congratulations once again.
Mr. President, we have the honor to present to you the candidates who have been found suitable for receiving the doctoral degrees. The candidates will come up and receive their degrees in person when called. Requesting the dignitaries to join the President in awarding the degrees. Dr. Smitha Nair, Faculty of Ayurveda, Dr. Poonam, Faculty of Applied Sciences, Dr. Beira Kinjal, Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Aanchal, Faculty of Applied Sciences, Desai Pankita, Faculty of Pharmacy, Patel Neerav Mahesh Kumar, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Ashish R. Meruthi, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Dr. Siddharth Goda, Faculty of Ayurveda, Dr. Mathapati Ishwarya, Faculty of Ayurveda, Dr. Dipali, Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Kembhavi, Faculty of Ayurveda, Dr. Doda Godar, Faculty of Ayurveda, and Osamia Dulari, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Dr. Sonia Dhiman, Faculty of Ayurveda, Dr. Molly Vaishnav, Faculty of Ayurveda, Shraddha Behan Ramesh Bhai Patel, Faculty of Pharmacy, Namrata Ashish Parekh, Faculty of